Alright, if you get that jerk without a code, no code is thrown, check engine light, no check engine light. First things first is you take off this idle air control valve. And you want to spray some carburetor cleaner, carb cleaner, or some brake cleaner. Either way, either one works. You get the point. That's what I do first. Secondly, this filter was okay before I tore it to shit. Only $10, so I replace it. What we do is we remove. Show you where we at. Get this air box out of my way. Can't beat me. Look into the throttle body. You see all that crud, that gunk? Yeah, you have to clean that immediately. Alright, man, get your microfiber, get you a shop towel after you spray the gum out, carb cleaner, or anybody carb cleaner. Anybody that sell. I like the microfiber. It's not a single use type deal. Wash it and keep it going. You clean around the edge of it. Open the flex plate and get the inside also, where the flex plate and the throttle body meets. Yeah, man, you clean that, get that crud out, all that build up, and that will alleviate the jerk syndrome. While AC is on, it does it worse. When you're idling and then you take off, or while driving and you give a little gas, maybe going 60 and you're trying to get up to 75 and give the gas and it jerks a little, yeah, it'll take it away. That's how you fix it.